Hey, my name's Nick. I'm with Sunshine State RVs in Gainesville, Florida. We have one of the largest selections of new and used Class B RVs in the country. Today, we're going to be talking about a brand new 2020 American Coach Patriot. This is one of the highest end Class B RVs on the market, and it's on the brand new Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. There's so much cool stuff about this Mercedes Sprinter chassis. I can't wait to share it with you guys. This video is going to be full of awesome stuff about the American Coach and the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. So come check it out with me. So this 2020 American Coach Patriot that's on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis has so many cool exterior features. So, you know, some of the neat ones are the LED lights on the running board, the power awning that has LED lights on it. You have your power door. You simply press a button on your remote, the door opens. You press it again, the door closes. There's a button by the door, there's a button on the dash. I mean, it just really makes this easy to access the RV, where in the past it was really hard for people to open and close this big sliding door. Mercedes really stepped up their game and they went to that power door. Some of the other cool features on the Mercedes chassis is they went from a 5-speed transmission to a 7-speed transmission. And I know 90% of you guys are like, what does that mean to me? What that means is it shifts a lot smoother. And when you're going at higher speeds, you're idling, you're driving at 1500 RPMs, which gives you better gas mileage. And it feels almost like a cloud just going down the road. And I know that's contrary to what typical RVs are, because you're white knuckle driving, you're squeezing it. But when you're talking about a 7-speed transmission on a Mercedes diesel engine, you don't hear the diesel, you don't feel the transmission. It's really just drifting down the road. It feels so different than RVs traditionally have felt. And even the Mercedes RVs last year, how they felt, this is a significant upgrade. Some of the other cool stuff is Distronic cruise control. So you're driving down the interstate, you set your cruise, and then as you're driving, somebody gets in front of you, it slows you down a little bit. Once they get out of the way, it speeds you back up. So I know a lot of the high-end cars have that. Mercedes has been putting in their cars for years. Now the Sprinter RVs have it. The other thing is the active LED lights and all of the neat safety features that only Mercedes has, to where if you're coming up and somebody stopped, first it alerts you with a beep, and then if you don't press on your brakes, it presses the brakes for you and it stops the RV, it stops the collision. So it has that collision avoidance. It has blind side markers. So if someone's in your blind spot, it will light up, it'll beep, it'll make you aware. There's so many safety features that only Mercedes is putting in this new Sprinter chassis, and American Coach is genius for building their Class B RV on it. Everyone knows that American Coach builds $500,000, $1 million big Class A's. They're starting to build a really high-end, top-of-line Class B RV, and I'm glad they teamed up with Mercedes. I really am. So I'm gonna jump inside. I'm gonna show you how luxurious and high-end the inside of this Patriot is as well. Come join me. So now that we're in the front of this American Coach Patriot, you can really tell how luxurious the inside of this RV is. It's unlike any other Class B RV on the market. American Coach makes $500,000, $1 million Class A RVs, and they have a very discerning customer base. So they are the ones that requested these Class B RVs to be made, and so they're only going to do the best in their Class Bs as well. So you can just tell we have the diamond stitching. These are all seats that they hand make in their factory. All 4 of these seats here swivel around to face each other. Plenty of room here to play cards, to have dinner. You can, you know, sit up here and just relax. There's a nice 24-inch TV right above me. It has a Blu-ray player. It has an Apple TV hooked into it. The coach has wireless internet router inside the RV that can hook up to your cell phone plan, and you can have internet everywhere you go. With an Apple TV, you can stream movies, ESPN, whatever it is you want to watch. There's a lot of different flexibility and options when it comes to that kind of stuff. There's also seating here where you have HDMI ports. This can be a mobile office. This can be a great place for kids while you're traveling, while you're camping. There's just so many different things you can do in this American coach. Now, back to the Mercedes for a second. I know I touched on it when we were outside, that Mercedes has upgraded their chassis a lot. And so some of the, I shouldn't say some, most of the upgrades have been here in this front cockpit area. So right here in the middle, you have a button that you press and it opens and closes the power sliding door. There's also this big 10-inch navigation screen. So not only does it do the navigation, it's a smart navigation, uploads the maps automatically from the satellite, but it also has the slide. So you have radio, you have satellite radio, you can hook Bluetooth up your phone. There's different apps. There's all different types of options that you can use here. There's also an app that Mercedes has that you can download things from your phone directly to the stereo here. So this 10-inch navigation screen is a big upgrade from what any other Class B RV has, but also from what Mercedes used to offer. There's also a third Firefly screen up front, so you can control all the lights, you can control the generator, the air conditioner, you can control everything in the coach while you're driving from right here. There's also one in the galley, and there's another Firefly screen in the bedroom. So you have ultimate control all the way throughout this entire coach. So there's a lot of cool stuff about this front. Very comfortable. Like I said, these seats swivel here, face the back. Those seats, they're watching a 24-inch TV. All kinds of stuff you can do with this configuration here. Before we move on to the back, there's a couple features I really want to point out about the driving experience of this Mercedes. So first off, just like every high-end car on the market right now, this has push button start. So you put your foot on the brake, you press the button, and it starts. You can leave the key in your purse, you can leave the key in your pocket. You don't have to go fumbling for your keys, find the one it is, put it in, all that old-fashioned stuff. This is the way that all cars are going to now. There's also all of your steering wheel controls are right here. All of your controls right here on the steering wheel. So you have your cruise control, you got your volume, everything is right here on the steering wheel. There's also power seats. So where before you were manually trying to get these seats comfortable, power seats, 7 or 8-way function, and also heated seats. I know that a lot of people that are driving in different weather than we have here in Florida appreciate heated seats. We get to use them about 3 days a year in Florida. So for those 3 days, we love it. For the rest of the country, you guys are gonna love it all the time. So there's a lot of cool driving features as well up here in the cockpit area that I thought was very important, that Mercedes really did a big upgrade when they redesigned this Mercedes chassis. So now I'm excited to show you the rest of the RV. So I'm relaxing and reclining in the back of this American Coach Patriot. You know, I watched a video the other day of Mike and Jennifer Wendland, and this is the same thing they were doing. So I feel like if I'm gonna be in the back of this RV, I need to be imitating them. So this is a very comfortable couch area, bed area. I mean, I can see myself camping, sleeping back here with the doors open, the breeze coming. Like I said, it's 70 degrees here in Florida today. Beautiful day, very comfortable. Got the doors open up front, got the doors open in the back, got air, breeze coming through here. This is just a really comfortable area back here. So got a power folding sofa. There is another Firefly control board right here. I press the button and it controls the sofa from right here. I can recline a little bit, I can sit back. There's a nice big TV here with a Blu-ray player, Apple TV, everything. I can watch TV here, I can be reclining here. A very luxurious and comfortable bedroom, living room area back here. So I love this part of my job. Very comfortable, very nice. So throughout this coach, everywhere you look, you see a luxury, you see high-end stuff. So this is a matte finish on this wood here. This is nice black burl wood. It's a nice dull matte finish on it. They use JL audio speakers. You have stereo in the back, a different stereo in the front. Nice big 2-door bathroom. So you open both doors, you have a shower in there, you have a toilet, a sink, lots of space, not just a little 1 door where you kind of got to squeeze in. Nice big 2-door bathroom. In the kitchen area, you have a nice fridge, you got an induction stove, you got a nice big sink, and there is a pantry in there as well. So American Coach really has perfected a luxurious Class B RV. They do one of the best job on the market in a luxurious Class B RV. But then the guts of the RV are equally as impressive. So you have a 2,000 watt inverter, you got 200 watts of solar, you have an Onan generator, you got the biggest AGM battery you can possibly buy. They also offer lithium packages. This one has lithium. This one has lithium. It has a big inverter, an upgraded alternator. It also has the Onan generator. So not only does it have the lithium stuff, it also has an Onan generator as well. So there's a lot of cool features when it comes to these. An S-bar, diesel furnace. So American Coach just didn't go for the glitz and the glamour. They also went for the high-end components that you would expect from a company like American Coach. So this is a very comfortable Class B RV, the most luxurious in my opinion. And as you can tell, very comfortable. You don't feel like you're sitting in a castle or anything. You feel like you're sitting in an RV you can camp in, you can travel. Some real close friends of mine that attend all the Gator football games with me, they just bought one of these and they said, you know what, we're gonna go from RV or from hotel to hotel in our American Coach. Just bought it this week and they're absolutely loving it. So these RVs are good to camp in. They're good to have a mobile office. They're good to have your family in, going from hotel to hotel. There's so many different things you can do in an American Coach that looks and feels like this. So I've talked about this RV long enough. I can keep going, but if you have any questions about it, my name is Nick. I'm with Sunshine State RVs in Gainesville, Florida. You can call us. You can check out our website. We have tons of pictures, brochures, PDFs, all the information on our website that you can possibly need on this RV. You know, something cool that we do is we deliver these RVs anywhere in the nation. I got a phone call last week from a guy in Miami. Says, hey, I need an American Coach at my door tomorrow. Wired the money, he had it there by 9 a.m. the next day. So that's stuff that we do all over the country. We can't have it in California tomorrow, but we can get these RVs anywhere that you guys need them. We're here for you. So we have the largest selection of used and new Class B RVs in the country, and we are happy to help. So check out our website, check out our YouTube channel for other cool videos, and I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Thanks.